Hi there, it's Dev Bilal. In this video 2 of homepage series, we are going to learn how we can make changes in these text labels and how we can integrate Google Map API key in our website and how we can make these boxes in the drop downs of top category, subcategory and location search, etc. Okay, let's get started. First of all, in order to make changes in these boxes, you need to go to setting and design setting. This is the home page and click on search box call to action. From here you can select top. I will select top sub and sub location. Top sub and location search. I will go here, refresh the page. Now it is displaying us top category, subcategories and location search. You can also do other searches as well, like property search, event search, etc. So you can search for real estate search as well here, and you can select which property type you want to search: photo album, product, properties. So you can use multiple search functionalities here according to your website requirement. If your website is about real estates, then you can select the property and choose select it. And when you will go here and refresh the page, save changes and go here and refresh the page. Now it is displaying you the search for the properties, etc. But I will use top plus sub and location search. Okay, it is looking good now. How to change these text here and how to change the name or keyword to something else? You can go to same home page and here this is call to action search box, keyword plus location we are using. You can use top category plus subcategory plus location as well. I want to use top plus sub plus location because I have top categories, subcategories and location as well. So in the top category I have web development. In the subcategories I have blog and development. Here we can write the location. For example, Pakistan. My maps are not working, so that's why it is displaying. Let me make work map. Okay, in order to make these map works, you need to attach your map API key here in the general setting. Go to integration. Your domain should be connected. When your domain should will be connected, then it will display the settings. Here, this is Google Maps API. I will enter my API key here and save changes. Refresh the page. Now, again, I will select my web development, blockchain subcategory, and I will write here Pakistan, and it is displaying me. Okay. So, for example, I select this location and search now in a new tab or the same page. So it is displaying backend development web development results in Azad Jammu Kashmir. So that's how it is displaying me the results as well. So the maps are also working. How to change these text? What do you need? You can copy this text, go to text labels, settings and text labels. You can search here the same text and here what do you need? Home page search drop down one. This is the same one, but there are a lot of what do you need. How you can judge which one is there? You can inspect it as well, but the easy way is you can write here A, B, C, D. So it is for your help so that you don't get confused. But I know which one it was. So A, the one. Okay. So this was the what do you need. Now we can remove the other one. I will save changes by Control S, refresh the page. Now it is changed. Okay, so that the same way you can change the other text as well, and these inner text as well. You can change them in the same way. You can change this text as well in the same way from the text label setting of your website. In the next video, we will learn about how to make changes in this hero divider and how we can display members on our home page of the website. If you want to get help with your Brilliant Directories website, you can let us know. We are here to help. Bye bye.